You nervous?
Oh yeah. Not my house.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So like about a few weeks back we picked up Pierce's car from Blackwater Graphics after it got its full livery done to it, so we're finally called down with Pierce and he's here. Going to basically walk around the whole car and he's just going to go through everything that he's done to it. This is, well, you can tell yourself how long he's been building this for, but it finally hit the road this year, unlike other people that keep their cars in sheds for about 7 years. But
There we go.
right, we'll start with the interior and you can show us it. So
Basically, stripped out interior in the rear. I went for the look of half track spec, but keep it straight in the front, kind of. So with the Corbury Club Sports, with the Tagala 4 points and stuff, you can see the shifter, and that might let on what's in it. So it's a K20 engine swap in it, and it's quite powerful. Like, just wanted to keep it like modern Kenjo look on it.
and then got short shifter, just about to see which is from who.
K-tune, yeah.
So K-tune short shifter in it. Likewise gear knob, and then you can see like in the back then, as he said, fully stripped out in the back. We'll open the boot, or start even here where we're at, so steering wheel, torch,
Yeah.
personal.
A personal Nordy steering wheel with the NRG quick release and a few autographs on it from a couple of YouTubers.
Yeah, as we can see,
LZ, Jimmy Oaks and Divine Media.
good. And then we'll go into the boot, which was a boot, which now we don't have really a boot. It's empty.
So in here is pretty basic. I just wanted a nice clean lock on it. So have the roll cage done by Def Roll Fabrication and a wee Odyssey battery in there. Nice. Just fits in nicely here, so it does.
The wiring loom stuff in it was done by AZR. AZR wire. I actually got a new loom made for the S14 off him as well. You see, like they let you do any color you want. Basically, you just search him up on Instagram, AZR wire, and he'll make up essentially anything you want. He does a load of pre-made looms, like he does a lot of Honda looms. Like he has a lot of
base swaps.
yeah, all your swaps. He has a lot of those looms sitting on the shelf, but you can change the colour of the sleeving on it. You can basically make anything for you, and he's really well priced and it's tidy work, so would recommend him. But in the back there's probably, well, there's Tom Kennedy. There, nothing else really in the back because it's completely stripped out. So
yeah, door cards by Track Day door cards as well. What are a very nice fit on them. So I was really impressed.
Yeah, it's a perfect
Just
fit right
cleans it
around.
up a lot, hides a lot of nothing.
And look, we can also just about say as well, like the top coilovers. What's
Currently have max paying rods in it. For a minute, that's just what came in the car. We'll be upgrading to yellow speeds probably over winter for a bit more adjustability.
just like while we're at the back, we'll get this as well because most people have a nice shiny exhaust tip on the back, which you've obviously went for something a bit different.
Kind of like the burnt look turn down sort of.
It's 3-inch.
3-inch full system all the way through, just a single back box. Quiet enough. So
Quite enough, considering we haven't.
Winch opens up like, so it's just loud like.
Considering we haven't opened the bonnet yet. Just before we get back to the bonnet, like obviously there's the full livery. That's what I said. Like we went to Blackwater and picked it up. Like, what made you then go for the AM PM? Or what made you go for a livery just in general? Like what's?
I always wanted a livery on it, like just something. AM PM as the convenience store in Japan, like just something different to what's usually done on Civics and stuff.
Yeah. So we'll go to the front. Like only other thing we've obviously missed out. We've got RPF ones,
JRs.
JRs, and drilled and grooved discs. I'm assuming they're
AF9 calipers and discs, and same on the rear. Just a bit of an upgrade for the engine swap. We'll be going bigger over winter again.
it's all down to like you can only obviously fit certain size under that size of wheel as well. So it's trying to find the right size of calipers. Was it AF6 you say?
AF9 at the minute, what is 262 mil? We'll be going to 282 mil.
So
Something touch, nice wee touch like, stops you drilling into your car and just weld on to standard positions like. And at the K-tuned aircon power steering delete on at the minute, but it has currently broken. It will be changed for something else.
yeah, I think after multiple issues with K-tune parts, and then after Piers has spoke to other people, and even if you see online, it's been not to throw shade, but a lot of issues and very little support for broken parts and stuff that's basically left stranded now. Except for that, and body kit, what's the kit of?
That's a charge speed style lip on the front, and then on the spoiler we'll have charge speed style as well by Pro Fit kits in Donegal. It was great quality, like, couldn't complain about it. It's fantastic, bounce the original spots and all.
Yeah.
I have to say it's good, like.
So, any plans then over winter?
Engine's getting a wee bit smoky, so gonna take a head off, rebuild the head and stuff, and brake upgrade. See what happens.
So more reliability things more than. I suppose at the stage now we're just like looking to tweak it and just leave it,
Enjoy it,
drive it. Like I think.
I miss driving it already. And
Yeah, so we've literally just come into winter, like, and it's salt hasn't even hit the road yet, so you can probably still drive it for another bit. But the roads are getting pretty dirty. But like, you started building this 2 years ago.
I bought this December 2019.
2019, and then before that, you had another one.
I had another one that was going to be a bare shell restoration, but
there wasn't enough shell to do the restoration too. So like, that's where this Civic came from. Like, but yeah, looks good, sounds good. Obviously, we can't start it now. Back to what we were previously saying about K-tune. So I do have a couple of rollers like from when we did pick it up from Blackwater.
And I
So
got some.
Piers hopefully might have some as well that he can send over to me. I'll throw them in. Yeah, but except that, hope you enjoyed this video, something a bit different. Gonna go and try and go around a few other people's builds, have a look at them, look at their garage. Like obviously just about see there's a car behind me here, which I'm kind of trying not to get it too much in the video because we'll get it in the future. As well as Race over in the corner. Hopefully his car's hopefully going to change a good bit over winter. I might get see what way it changes up as well. But yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment down below, and see you in the next one.